Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are cooking soy glazed duck with egg fried rice. For this dish, you'll need the ingredients listed on the side. Let's start off by chopping the chilies, garlic, spring onion, and parsley. Gently score the duck breasts and season them with salt and pepper everywhere and Chinese rice spice on the meat only. For the glaze, we start by slicing some ginger, then adding the honey, soy sauce, rice vinegar and Hoisin sauce, and finally 2/3 of the chopped garlic. The rest we'll leave for the egg fried rice. Allow it to simmer gently until it coats the back of a spoon. Onto the centerpiece, heat up and lightly oil a pan with vegetable oil. Place the duck skin side down and leave it on medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Turn the breasts over and turn the heat up and add another butter to the pan. Allow it to gain color and once it starts foaming, baste the duck for another 3 to 4 minutes. Remove them from the heat and leave them to rest for a few minutes. For the egg fried rice, grab some leftover rice in your fridge, or you can cook some, but allow it to cool before you use it. Start off by heating up a wok really well, then sweat the remaining garlic, add the rice, chilies, 2 beaten eggs, peas, and mix regularly. Last minute, add the spring onions and remove from the heat. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Your support so far has been amazing. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn your notifications on.